Adventure. Let's go. Come on. Ah, I'm running and stuff. With the giant book bag that doesn't fit you. Come on, Red. Come on. Oh, this is so amusing. I ain't leave you. I'm right here. I'm right here. Come on. You ready to go on a trip with Ryder? You're gonna have matching book bags. Even though that one's a little too big for you. Oh, look at that. What's that, boy? How you doing? You ready to go on a trip? Yes. All right. Say bye-bye to the cameras. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good baby. Good boy. All right. We're done. Silly butt. Oh.